Welcome back. Let's get started right away. Step back, real gentle movement to start. Open up the chest, bend a little bit. Let's warm up the entire body. 10 minutes. Boost energy, elevate our mood. It's already happened. Let's go. We keep showing up every day. Connect your breath to each movement. Let's move with awe. You know you're going to build strength and mobility. We want to eliminate pain, live with more joy. We do that when we show up every day for ourselves. But let's move with awe. Awe of the natural world. Awe of what we humans can create. Appreciation for this beautiful life. Even with the struggles. And all the things that are out of our control. Okay, similar movement. Open up, sit down a little bit, and thrust your pelvis upwards. Really gently. Feel that in your lumbar. That can often be an area when we wake up, stiff and sore, painful even. Can we eliminate that a little bit? I've certainly found that as I've suffered from lower back pain for the majority of my life, that light, gentle movement to start and continuous movement throughout the day is the best remedy for low back pain. And if I'm honest, changing of the diet was a game changer for me as well in that regard. The elimination of alcohol helped greatly. Find what works for you. Test on yourself to see what works best so that you can live pain-free, vibrant. One more. Shake it out. Let's really build some energy. Shake. Feel it in the fingertips. Just move. Okay. Step back and sit down just a bit. Continue to open up the chest, building that mobility in the upper back and the spine. Remember, maybe this looks like this for you. Modify every movement. Suit your needs. Just this for just a moment. Let's really wake up our legs, the glutes. Firing on all cylinders today after this. During this, yes. Couple more. Brilliant. Arms come up. And we're going to step to the side as well. We're going to raise those arms up as high as you can, keeping them at 90 degrees. Feel that in the shoulder. But let's just move to the side as well. If you don't have a lot of space, you could just tap it out. Brilliant. When you come to the end, tap the toe as well. Stretch it out so that you feel it in the ankle. Want to increase our ankle mobility as we build incredible shoulder strength and mobility here. We're here for a short time. We want to do as much as we can. So feel that in the ankle when you reach it out. Feel that stretch. Ooh. One more lap. I don't know about you, but my shoulders are screaming. Oh, just bend down a little bit and feel the weight of your arms. Kind of, maybe like a gorilla would move. Yes, let's have some fun. Oh, okay. Speaking of fun, Just quickly, let's do a heel to toe rock. Use your arms and swing them as balance. Engage your core. We're building amazing core stability and strength here. Balance, but let's just have some fun with it. Whatever you can do is perfect. You stumble, you fall, come right back to it. Breathe. Pick a spot on the horizon. Bring all your attention, your full focus right there. And just a couple more. Yes. Just a few gentle twists. Find a playful skip in your step. Turn the head. Let's increase the mobility of our neck. You can add pace to this if you like. You really want to get the heart elevated. Oh, I encourage all movement. You find what works best for you. The movement that makes you smile, brings you joy. This is what works for me. One more. Beautiful. Let's really work on our back. Bend down. Rise up. Big circles with the arms and come on down. Bend your knees. Look to the sky. Breathe in all the way up. Hold and breathe out. Find the rhythm that works for you. Connect to your inner nature. That strength, calmness, joy that you possess. Oh, it feels so good. I want to move a little bit more quickly. You can slow it down as well. Choose your own adventure. It's your journey. Find your path. Oh, look way up. Feel that in your neck. Oh, glory. One more. Look up to the sky and down. Oh, and shake, shake, shake. Okay. Let's make some real big circles with the arms over top and lunge side to side. Breathe into the movement. Lunge as deeply as you can. And just move with awe. You're gonna feel this in all different parts of the body. Maybe there's an ache and a pain, something that's challenging. Embrace it. Breathe right into that spot. And let's go the other way. There we go. Watch the monkey mind. Connect right here. Today's guaranteed. Tomorrow is not. Let's be so invested in each moment of today that we can live with joy regardless of what's going on outside of us. And, oh yes. Oh, just give yourself a little bit of love. Oh, brilliant. Let's build a little bit of balance. Float the arms and bring the knee up. Pick a spot. Focus on that. And hold for just a split moment when you get your leg up. And maybe again, this looks like this. It's brilliant. Maybe your leg just comes up a little bit higher. Reach the arms up. You're welcome to close your eyes. Feel that changes everything. You'll notice you feel it in the ankles. Different stabilizing muscles. This will be so useful to us as we move through darkness with more confidence. Less injuries from slips and falls. That's really going to free us from pain. Okay, one more on each side. It is much more challenging when the eyes are closed. Oh, it's getting warm. Yes. Last movement of the day. Just a moving meditation. Bring the hands up into prayer and part the clouds. You can come on up, look to the sky. I encourage you to close your eyes here as well. Connect to your breath. Bend down just a little bit, continuing to build strength and mobility in our lower back. But just bring real presence into this movement, this moment. Every time your mind wanders, start to just bring your attention to your hands. Feel your hands when they're together, the sensation. Feel the sensation of the air as you come down against the backs of your hands. Breathe. One more right now. Exhale. Oh, thank you. I'm at a 10 out of 10, I think now. I'm so grateful to you for showing up every day and allowing me to be your guide. Let's keep doing this again and again and again. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you. Goodbye.